Guys, welcome to my channel Tech Wisdom. Welcome to another simple tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Threads account pretty easily. So without any delay, let's start the video. First, go to your Thread application. Now go to click this profile icon on bottom right of your screen. Click here, and now click those straight two lines on top of your right. Just click here, and now you can see the option account. Click those account option here. Now as you can see the option deactivate profile, you just have to click that, and you can see the button deactivate your thread profile. As you can see, deactivating your thread profile won't affect on your Instagram ID, so just click here and deactivate. Now as you can see, my account is deactivated and I logged out from my Threads account. Now if you want to continue this account, so all you have to do is log in, and your account will be activated pretty soon. So that is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. See you on next one.